In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the December copper futures contract, which hit a 3-week low today. Copper futures completes an outside range day as well, finishing lower for the third session in the last four. The high today, 4.4135, that was down 1.05%. But the low, 4.2915, was down 1.74%. And with a little bit of time left in the session, we're still down right around 1%. Copper is closing in on its third straight week of lower prices and is approaching a 3-week low closing point as well. There's some news out there from certain publications that some hedge funds are reporting they're switching their holdings from copper to gold. These, of course, would be commodity-based hedge funds. And we're not seeing that in the CFTC reports as of yet. Although remember, when those CFTC reports come out, they are 2 weeks of sort of tired or old data. They come out 2 weeks after the fact. So one of the things that may be backing that up is the price action between copper and gold when you look at it from just a macroeconomic perspective and seeing how yields are rising on the back end more than they are on the front end, which implies that the market is looking at inflation being at least a little bit higher further out the curve than it is right now. And U.S. yields rose again today as the session went on, which is a general headwind for copper because it's adding some strength to an already strong dollar that's reacting as much to a weak euro and the overall global economic situation as it is to any change in yields in the U.S. The dollar is now up in the aggregate 12 of the last 15 sessions, and 2 of those sessions that it wasn't up, it was unchanged. So it's a fairly strong story, and that's a headwind for all commodities, especially base metals, of which copper is sort of the king of base metals.